now like to call on Lalnul Fela Chongtu from the ZORO Reunification Organization.
Madam Chair, thank you. I'm the representative of the ZORO nations, also known as the ZORO indigenous peoples. I'm here to speak on behalf of the ZORO Reunification Organization.
ZORO palaiin Zofate harsatna țhenkhat to United Nations Organization UNO-ah thlen UN Expert Mechanism on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples 17th Session thlen riat atanga Geneva, Switzerland nea ZORO palai pulal nun fel chong thuin Zofate harsatna țhenkhat te hi asoi ani he session thlen som pani thleng o tura hian ZORO chu UNO-ah tualro namte in zialuna United Nations Permanent Forum for Indigenous Issues affiliated member anni angin ZORO in ZORO Western Zone President pulal nun fel chong thu le KH vanalruati serchip baka lalruat pui ZORO consultant Switzerland te antel ani pulal nun fel chong thu chuan February sanghi somni pathuma tanga Manipura Zofatin buainan to chungchang soin Zofate chu anpile pu tanga anlo lua to anin le lo atang te a chua anni thule chennai in ba ka pathian biakin te halsak anni thute asoya buaina in jiom lamba pan theilo thute state harsave tak Mizoram in mani sahimna zonga mangang taka fak vai mek sangtel te meu alo ton son mek thute asoya Bangladesh le Myanmar lama Zofate harsatna to chungchang po soin Bangladesh a chitagong hill tracks buaina wangin mitam takin Mizoram sahimna anon zonga heti lai hian India Sipai Border Security Force BSF te chuan Mizoram anlo lu hi phallovin anlo not kirle thin atia tuna hian Zofa tam tak chu ramngoa eitur mumal nei lovin an sahimna zongin an wak vai mekani ati pulal nun fel chong thu chuan Myanmar lama ni se UNDRIP sign tu te zingami ani chungin India chuan Free Regime Movement FMRT top atuma India le Myanmar ramri hung atum atia Zofate hi Bangladesh India le Myanmar cheng kania tuna hian zalen taka kanin kalpo theina chu India hian min noi bo sak mekani ti in ramri hung le zalen taka ramri sulami te in kalpo theina ti top hi ati lo thling ani chuan British colonial hun laya diklo taka kan ram sopa min thren dar kha India hian warsawin aron ti bel ti na ang ani ton ani atia kan ram hi kiltina tangin Bangladesh Myanmar India po Assam le Manipura te neksep atang te in neksep in kanom meka kan din huna chetial tiala rampo kan san mekani chu wangin ram chungchang le omdan tur hi mania kanin railway hun athlen ngei kan beiseya mania ro kanin railway thinan UNO thopna kan mamo to na min thop turin UNO po kan beiseyani atibok ZORO chu khovel mun rang om Zofate in sui khoma khata om theina tura malatu ani thu soin Zofate tan UNO thlengin ma ala thina Zofate kanin sui khoma khata kanom theinan ma alak chun zom zeldon pulal nun fel chuan atibok ani
Madam Chair, thank you. I'm the representative of the ZORO nations, also known as the ZORO indigenous peoples. I'm here to speak on behalf of the ZORO Reunification Organization. ZORO peoples belonging some ethnic origins now found themselves inheriting different nationalities: the Burmese, Indian, Bangladesh. Most recently, Agli ethnic class started in Manipur, India in February 2023. Media headline: Manipur's hills and Imphal's valley burned in Meitei Kuki class. Houses were burned and crops destroyed. Minority hills tribal peoples were forced to flee their homes and ancestral land. Violence, killing, murders and arsons were the tenors of the disturbed condition under which Manipur has been ruling to date. Meantime, as small poverty-ridden Mizoram state in the northeast corners of India places the thousands of ethnics of the ZORO people against the UNRWA. India, as signatory to the declarations 1 and 10, number 1, to stop the freedom movement regime FMR, and the second plan to undertake fencing along the Indo-Myanmar international border line. Multiple ethnic communities of the ZORO group of peoples having been unjustly divided and located in Myanmar, India, Bangladesh are now being denied the FMR. Further, Indian plan to undertake fencing along the border line between northeast India and Myanmar, stopping the FMR fencing the Indo-Myanmar international border is going to add injustice to wrong done in the colonial era in having divided the ZORO land and locate the ZORO peoples in different geographical regions. Madam Chair, currently we are facing attack from all sides of our boundary, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Assam and Manipur, India. Last 10 days, our ZORO peoples who have lived in Bangladesh have kept searching for shelter in Mizoram due to conflict inside the Chittagong Hills tract, that is Bangladesh. Nevertheless, the Indian Army of BSF disagreed to enter in Mizoram. They pushed them back. Many ZORO people still living inside the forest without any proper shelters and foods. Currently, our situation became worse day by day, and our land has getting deprived. We hopefully to have self-determinations and a lot of support and assist our beloved lands and nations get before deprived and exhaust. Kalome, thank you.